A Spanish news outlet earlier reported that a Russian Su-24 bomber was spotted flying close to a Spanish aircraft carrier partaking in NATO naval exercises in the Baltic Sea. The Russian Sukhoi Su-24 bomber passing near the Juan Carlos I, a multi-purpose aircraft carrier in the Spanish Navy, at low altitude in the Baltic Sea has emerged online. The news was earlier reported by Spanish TV channel Antena 3, which claimed that the Russian aircraft was detected by radars of the Juan Carlos I carrier, but since the maneuvers were not considered dangerous, no measures were taken. A senior advisor to the director of the Air and Missile Defense Cross-Functional Team of Army Futures Command, Terry Young has announced that Army would shortly receive its newest short-range air defense systems. The first 5 maneuver short-range air defense system prototypes are on schedule to be delivered to the Army for testing beginning in October. An advanced version of newest Army's short-range air defense system is a new Striker variant with a turret that will hold 2 Hellfire missiles encased in an external pod, an M230LF 30mm chain gun, a 7.62 machine gun and another external pod housing 4 Stinger missiles. Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense System is designed to provide 360-degree air defense protection of the Striker and Armor Brigade combat teams throughout the range of military operations.